Hey guys, it's Yesenia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to be organizing my drawers because I've been wanting to do that for a good minute. And let me show you guys what we're working with. So like it looks pretty bad, but it actually is. So I really just want to organize like these two, and I don't think I need to organize. Let me see. Ooh. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean off like the top of this, and inside of here I have like some important things that I need to put up in like a little folder. I just need to like keep all of my important stuff together because I've been really bad at keeping all of my important stuff together. Like it's just kind of scattered everywhere, and it's like I feel like it should not be that way. Like my mom, she has a little filing cabinet and she has like all of her important like tax files and just stuff like that, and I feel like I need to get organized. I'm just gonna dust everything off of my dresser and then we will get into organizing the drawers. So I'm gonna do this off camera and I will see you guys in a second. I just finished Swiffering off my dresser, and now I'm gonna actually go into those two drawers that I said I was gonna organize. And yeah, we're just gonna jump straight in. I'm gonna most likely take everything out and then figure out like what needs to be put in a certain organizer and what needs to be thrown away and where certain things need to be put up. So yeah, this is like my everyday go-to makeup, and that's what's in this bag. for this, I just put like my mascaras in these two slots, and then here I just have like my clear eyebrow gel, my eyebrow brush, and my favorite lip liner. Ooh, and my favorite lip liner that I like to use. And for this, I think I'm just gonna put like my powder and just the foundations that I have out. I have like 2 or 3 other foundations, but they are in my little like makeup box that you have to like open up. Actually, as a matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna get everything out of my makeup box and just like make this like my little makeup drawer. That way I don't have to go into the makeup box. See what fits. So these are like all of the palettes that I have, and I'm just going to put them in here. That way I could try to use them as much as possible. And then I just left a few other things inside of the makeup box just because those I for real do not touch at all. But this, I'm glad I took out like the palettes that I do have. That way I can actually like put them to use and not just have them sitting there. And also these are more of like single eyeshadow compacts. I've never honestly used any of these except for this Wet n Wild one right here. And I put my Airspun loose powder in here because it sometimes spills, so I rather it spill in a box that is actually closed. Everything I have in there, and I'm just gonna store that back there somewhere. Over here I have a bunch of my lippies. Okay, that's better. This little like illuminator I'm just gonna put over here where my eyeshadow brushes are, and then primers and stuff I am going to figure it out. So I'm going to put my bronzer, because this is one that I use a lot. It's by Too Faced. Put it right here. How am I gonna fit this setting spray? Maybe just throw her like that. I don't know. Or like that's fine. Yeah. I'm still gonna leave my little makeup bag that I would normally wear my everyday makeup. I'm just going to like put it in here, and if I need to like go somewhere and I want to put my makeup on, I can just put it in here and take it with me. For primers, I'm just gonna put it in here with like some of my foundations and stuff. Honestly, I think I have space if I just move a lot of the mascaras that I have into this one over here. I don't think there's anything in here. And my concealers, I can put them on this side. And that's it. Oh, everything fits perfect. Good thing my other battery was charged. I thought it wasn't, but it is. So I finished the first drawer over here. Now I'm moving on to this mess. This looks pretty bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. Y'all, you know he's not feeling good when he's legit just in a little corner underneath my drawer, like, poor baby. He's been like throwing up today. So I think for like my skincare, I'm just gonna put it in this clear like bin. These are more like things like if you're not feeling good. Have a clean applicator now, so now I can finally just leave her in here, or right there would be just fine. And there we go. We got everything in here and everything looks so much better and nice and organized. Everything looks so much better than before. This feels so much better looking at this than what it was before. This looks amazing. Like, this actually makes me want to do my makeup in the mornings. OMG. That's all I have to say. Oh, so excited. Alright guys, so that is it for today's like organization video. Let me know if you guys were cleaning along as well. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.